Hello everybody, this is Jonathan, and basically in this video I want to show you guys how to use ToDoList. So this is a software I have developed for Linux, FreeBSD and Windows, and you can even install it for Raspberry Pi. Now it's basically just a very simple to-do list where we're adding our own tasks, and we can also delete our own tasks as well. Okay, so to basically download it, what I guys want to do is look for our operating system that we're using. For example, if you're using FreeBSD, just look for download for FreeBSD and click onto that download button right over here. But if you're using Linux, that is what I'm using, then click onto this button over here. Now that should take a few seconds to install, and now once you have it installed, click onto it and now click on the extract button. And now once you clicked on the extract button, now you can go to desktop and store it in the desktop directory. So once I've done that, all the guys should be able to do is to view it. And now if we click onto this file, which is ToDoList 8.0, do a left click, and now we should see properties. And now once you click onto properties, we should see permissions. And from permissions, we should see execute, allow executing file as a program. Make sure this is enabled so that way you'll be able to be run in this system. Now click onto close button, and now that software should be closed now. Now to open it, just double click on it, and now it should be installed. Now it should be opened. And now we're going to see a software looking like this. Now this is a navigation bar. Basically this is where we're going to see like about. So from here we can see who made this software, what is the software about, and keyboard shortcuts. All it does is show a pop-up and something like this. So it shows up what is the software about, simple open source to-do list for Linux, FreeBSD and Windows. So now you click onto the exit button, and that basically will just exit from the software. And it will basically do the same for keyboard shortcuts, and it will also do the same for the who made this software. So this does to give short introduction about the software and some keyboard shortcuts that you guys will be able to use, which I will show you guys what they are. So okay, so once you click on the X button, we should see software like this. So this is our title, and then this is just to show where all of the tasks. Select it, just click onto it, and that should be selected, and then we can remove it. Now I'm going to be adding a few tasks into it. For example, I'm going to put down install Linux Mint. And once I've done that, install Linux Mint, you guys should be able to add in a new task. And that should allow you to add a new task into the software. Now I'm going to put down some random tasks just to show you guys an example. So you can press on the enter key, and that should allow you to also add in the task. So that's also a faster way of doing it. So for in case you need to write down lots of tasks, which you guys will need to do. So I'm going to put down a proper example, like do spreadsheets for college, for example. And now we're going to add in that task, and I'm going to add in more random tasks like this. Now I think that's going to be enough tasks that we're going to be adding in this example. But now what we're going to do, as we've done all of these tasks already in 5 seconds, now what we're going to be doing is that now we're going to be deleting these tasks. Now to delete these tasks, just click onto it, and now we should be able to click onto a remove a task button, something like this. So that's how to remove tasks. If you guys want to do it a lot faster, then you guys can click onto it and now click onto the delete key on the keyboard. So that's a faster way you guys will be able to do it. Okay, so now we can exit from the software, and now we should see a pop-up like this. I will show you when to leave the software. Just click on the yes button, and that should allow you to leave the software. Okay guys, so thanks so much for watching this basic tutorial on how to use ToDoList 8.0. Currently it doesn't save for data, but I'm currently working on it. I'm currently working on adding that as a feature to allow the user to basically save their list to a database. So that way when we open it, then it'll be able to save all of the tasks that you have written to it. Anyway guys, so that's what I'm currently working on. But it's basically just a very simple to-do list which you guys can just use if you truly wanted to. It's also open source, so I hope that you guys enjoy using it. But anyway guys, I'm going to end the video there. I'll see you guys in the next video, and if you guys want to provide some feedback, please say so down in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.